What is a method? Method is nothing but a collection of statements, a multiple statements. A number of statements grouped into a single unit is called as a method. So what is the advantage with a method? Method is for reusability. Reusability means only one time you need to create a method. In future, any number of times you can call the method. So check your notes. What is the last point in your notes, Amma? I think I given the method definition and I given like methods are used for reusability. That is the last point,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Right. So today's point is when you are running your Java program, when you are executing your Java program, always the execution starts with main method. Always the execution starts with main method. See, in your program, you can write any number of methods. In your Java program, you can write any number of methods. But how many main methods you can write? You can write only one main method in your Java. You can write a normal methods, any number of methods you can write. But how many main methods you can write in your program? You can write only one main method. But when you are executing your Java program, always the program execution starts with main method only. I'll give a small example for your understanding purpose. Say in our home, initially the power supply will come to the main only. The power supply current, the power supply will come to main only. From that main, the power will be distributed to remaining rooms. Right? From the main only, the power will be distributed to remaining rooms. See, initially the power will come to main only, right? Directly it will not come to your rooms. First it will come to the main. From the main, the power will be distributed to the remaining rooms. Here also same. So here when you are executing your Java program, where the execution starts? Execution starts from main method. So from the main method, you need to distribute the power. You need to distribute the power to remaining methods. Remaining methods means it may be M1, M2, M3. Not only M1, M2, M3, login, logout, and so and so. Add employee, delete employee, like that. You can go with multiple methods, but from I'll show you. Initially, the power supply will come to the main method. From the main method, you need to distribute the execution to M1, M2, M3. For remaining methods, you need to distribute it. So take the next point in your notes. The next point is always the Java program execution starts with main method. Always Java program execution starts with main method. Java program execution starts with main method. Right. See, now I'll show example program to you. For example, already you created a demo one in your system. All of you, I think everyone created a demo one in your system. Inside the demo one, just today I want to create a main method. Inside the demo one, today I want to create a main method. So it is a opening bracket, it is a closing bracket. Better keep this opening bracket and closing bracket parallelly. If you keep it parallelly, easily you can check for every opening bracket, there should be a closing bracket. For verification, it is easy for you, make it as parallel. Okay, that means actually this opening bracket is like this, but you need to keep it in the next line. So parallelly, you can check it out. Okay, so just go enter, just go with the enter key, automatically it will align, auto alignment. Just press the enter key. So how to write a main method? So just you need to write main, 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 any case, your wish. Main, control space. In your keyboard, you need to press the control button, space bar, control space. Just if you go with a control space, automatically it will display the main method. Automatically it will display the main method. It will ask you, you want a main method. You want a main method. Yes, I want a main method. Just double click on that or just select that one. Automatically the main method will be created by your system itself. So it is a opening bracket and it is a closing bracket. For our convenience, just keep this opening bracket in the next line. Keep the opening bracket in next. It is a main method opening and main method closing. So in future, I'll explain what is a public, what is a static, what is a void, everything I'll explain. For today, you can write like this. Now, once again, just see how to write a main method. Just go with one enter key, main, control space. After the control space, it will ask you, you want a main method. So automatically it will display the main method. So inside the main method, again, press enter, it will go with auto alignment. I want to print something in the output, Java program output. For example, welcome to Java, for example. So if you want to write anything, so we need a system.out.println. What is the method? System.out.println. But no need to type it. Again, we have a shortcut. What is a shortcut? Simply you need to write sysout, sys out, sysout, control space. Okay, ma? Sysout, control space. Automatically it will display the system.out.println. System.out.println. So in the system.out.println, the beginning S must be in uppercase. The beginning S must be in uppercase. Of course, we are not typing it. Automatically it will be written by your system itself. So when you are writing a sysout, you can write in any case, your wish. It's not an issue. So just go with a control space. If you go with a control space, everything will be taken care by your system itself. Okay, ma? So if you want to write any strings, if you want to write any string, what is the meaning of a string? String is nothing but set of characters. Your name, your country name, your city name. So like that, a set of characters is called as a string. So if you want to write any string, the string must be in a double quotations. The string must be in double quotations. So just I'm writing some hi or hello or welcome to Java. Your wish, you can write any string here, just run it. It is a run button. It is a run button. See, when you are clicking on the run button, it is asking confirmation to save. Yes, just click on OK. Automatically the program will be saved in your workspace. So after saving the program, where the output will be displayed? The output will be displayed in the console. In the bottom, you can see the console. You can see the hi. I want to write one more print command. Just press enter key. Again, sysout, control space. I want to write something. Hello. Again, run it. So in the output, you can see both hi and hello. Just a minute. Running. See, I'll enter into your screen. I mean, if you are an IT person, no issue. Directly you can type the program and you can do it. So if you are a non-IT, please inform me. I'll enter into your screen and I'll guide you. First of all, note it down. Example 1. In your notes, take the heading example 1. That means the Java first day program, the first basic program. Note down this program first. In your notebook, note down the program. After you note it down, if you can practice, you can practice. If you need my help, please inform me. I'll enter into your screen. It is a first time programming for you, then please inform me. I'll enter into your screen. First 2-3 days completely I'll help you. So after 2-3 days, you can start your work. Then in the middle, if any error is there, I'll enter into your screen. Yes, ma'am. Anyone needs my help?
Sure, yeah, it's first time for me.
Yeah, sure. I'll do one thing. All of you, you completed this program. First note it down in your notes. You must note it down in your notes. After note it down, you can share your screen. I'll do one thing. I'll take a screenshot. I'm taking the screenshot of this program and I'll share the screenshot here. Yes, it's allowing. All of you, you can see the Zoom charting. Open your chart box. In the Zoom, you have a chart facility. In that Zoom chart, I shared the screenshot. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, right. See now, by saying that, you can start your work, right? Yes, keep that Eclipse in a full screen. That is a clarity. Make it as a full screen. Yes, exactly. Right. See, all of you, once you can verify, if you have any doubt how to type the program, you can verify this screen. Yes, sir. So here just one enter key. Inside the brackets, already you are inside the bracket, just go with the enter key. If you go with the enter key, it will go with alignment. Right. Now write a main method, main main. In any case, no issue. After writing the main, control space, control button and space bar. It will take a little bit time. Once go with the escape button. First time you are using Java, so it is not loading. So once go with the escape button. Again, try the same, control space. Second time it will load. Sometimes first time it will not load. Yes, now it is asking, do you want a main method? Yes, we need a main method. Just you need to select this main method. Right. Yes. So double click. Right. Now, where's the main method opening? Here you can see the main method opening. For our convenience, better we need to keep that opening bracket in the next line. Just you need to keep the cursor here, press enter, it will go with the next line. So why you need to keep it in a next line? Easily you can verify for every opening bracket, the closing is available or not. We can check it out easily. Okay. So now keep the cursor inside. Better keep the enter key. If you go with the enter key, it will go with the auto alignment. Yes, exactly. Now, how to write a system.out.println? Simply you need to write sysout control space. Sys, any case, no issue. So system, your system will take care. Okay. Control space. Right. So within the double quotations, you can write any string. It may be hi, or hello, or your name, or your country name. So any name you can write. So within the double quotation, write the double quotation. Right. Write something and execute it. On the top, you can see the run button.
Actually, means should I press enter?
It's enough. Just go with the run button once. On the top, you can see run button. Any confirmation, just go with OK. OK button. So where you can see the output will be displayed in the console. Just a minute. The execution is going on. In the bottom, you can see the console. Right, in the console, you can see the output. What is the output? Presently, the output is hi. So you want to write one more statement, one more print statement. Again, keep the cursor at the end of the line, the enter key. You can go with the one more print command. Yes, do it. One more sysout. No need to type it on. Just what is the shortcut you learned? Sys, sys, out, out, sysout, control space. Same like a previous line. Previously, how you are getting that system.out.println? So you need to write a sysout control space. All the shortcut should be in your mind. So don't type it. If you type it, it is a time wastage. Okay. Yeah. Double quotation.
Even in the real time, we don't have to remember the commands, right? I mean,
Yeah,
we can
some
still use the
commands we
control
have the
space.
shortcuts. Some commands you
Yeah.
need to remember, but some commands we have a shortcuts.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Right. Write something and execute it again.
Should I press enter?
Yeah, run it.
Run it.
Okay. In the bottom, you can see the output. Right. Okay. Right.
Yeah, thank you.
Right.
Thank
You
you so
can
much.
stop your sharing. And anyone have an issue with this program? If anyone have an issue, please inform.